Alright guys, you need to first install this application before we get started. It's called Postman, and as you can see here, it supports various platforms. It supports Windows, Mac, and Linux. This tool is used to make requests on APIs, and also you can use it to document your API. As you can see here, we have this API, and it has a list of endpoints. And from this example, you can see you can make a request, you can send a request and get a response from here. And if you have installed it, that's great. We can just jump straight to developing the endpoints, and looking forward to see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and support me. I'll be able to add more videos like this.